How to draw the University of Cincinnati logo. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of today's drawing, we're going to begin by drawing a slanted line, which will be the top right part of our C of our Cincinnati logo. Now starting at the bottom points of this line, we're going to begin to draw a very big slanted C that will be attached. Well done. For the next step, we're going to begin to make an outline going around the C-like shape, starting with the top point of the slanted line that we previously drew together. This will help make a bubble letter C. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now right beneath the C-like shape, we're going to begin to draw a rhomboid, which is a slanted rectangular shape. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub, and keep in mind that if you're subscribed to the channel, then you'll stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post every single day. Now last but not least, right above that big C in the center of the page, we're going to begin to draw 4 big bear cat claws. Is the University of Cincinnati your favorite football team? If you think that they're going to win the football national championship this year, then comment "Go Bearcats" down below. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing colored in so that you can pause the video and match your colors. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure you did a great job of drawing the Bearcats logo. If you want to learn how to draw more college logos, then be sure to subscribe and comment what else you'd like to learn how to draw down in the comments below. And if this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like so other Bearcat fans can also learn how to draw the logo. Great job today, and I can't wait to draw with you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.